So here's my love going out to pick the bitter melon by her. Pretty cool, it grows outside. Right here. Interesting, looks like a cucumber almost, but with a sort of jagged outside. Just washing it to get it clean. If this was outside, especially in the city, we want to make sure it's nice and clean before we eat it. Cutting off the ends with a paring knife, you don't want that tough end. Slicing it down the middle like you would a cucumber. Now, she's going to scoop out the center. Often done with cucumbers as well. At center, a lot of seeds. It's mostly water. Not something you always want. Reminds me of my days at Seasonal making cucumber salad. I used to have to do this. Not every day, but most days. Same thing other side. Notice these seeds get really big too. That's another reason they're often taken out. You just don't want them in your food. Yeah, if you let it keep growing, the seeds get really, really big. Won't hurt you, but not something you really want to enjoy from a texture point of view. Alrighty here. Almost done. Good. Throw all that away. Alright, now she's going to slice it. Again, similar to a cucumber, to slice it into the half moon shape, you could say. Keep doing this until it's done. All right, here we are, all done. Add some salt. Yeah, that way it penetrates a little bit. Also, some of the water will seep out, so it's a bit crunchier and more flavorful. Yeah, this really reminds me a lot of my cucumber preparation at Seasonal. Alrighty, mixing it nice and evenly. Don't want it to taste salty, but enough for flavor and to get out the water. Alright, so here we go. We have avocado oil. One of my personal favorites. Want to heat up the pan. Don't want it ripping hot. Obviously, it'll burn the melon. We got some shallot here. Rinsing off a little bit of the extra salt. She wanted a little bit to penetrate, but again, not so much. It makes it taste salty. Drain it out. And one more rinse for good measure. Make sure the salt is gone on the outside. Alright, so here we're going to put the shallots in. The shallots are just going to be sweated. They're not going to be caramelized. Alright, see it coming along nicely. some shrimp paste. Mix that around nicely. Give it a nice umami flavor. See, it's coming together nicely. So shallots are a little sweet, shrimp for the umami. Now we're going to add the melon itself. There we go. Alrighty. There we go. So you got a little bit of salt, so you taste the melon itself. You got the shrimp for the umami flavor. You got the shallots, a touch of sweetness. It's a little bit of chili powder. Make it a touch spicy, not too much. It's one of those things where you want something to balance the flavor, but not something that it becomes overbearing, because then you're going to have two or three really strong flavors. It's just too much. Yeah, here we go. See, looking nice. And here we go. In the bowl, some white sesame seeds on top. All right. Taste a little bit here. Let's see how it goes. It's good. A little bitter, a little bit of umami, a little sweetness from the shallots, and the nice sesame seeds. Success.